In B part of this question, they have asked what type of test we have to use. So in this test we can use a t-test. Here the hypothesis is given, that is equal to 1 and greater than 1, which means that the one tail test should be used. Significance level is 5%, means 0.05, and degree of freedom we can calculate n minus 2 for t-test calculation. So 19 minus 2, that is equal to 70. And then you have to use a t-test formula, that is beta 2 cap minus 1 upon standard error of beta 2 cap, that is equal to 0.6560 minus 1 upon 0.1961, that is equal to minus 1.7542, that is a calculated value from the t-test. Now we will have to use a tabulated value from the table value, because a one tail test, so t alpha by 2 and degree of freedom, that is a 17. So 0.05 upon 2, that is into 17. So when we visit the table of t-test, then we can get the result, that is 1.740. So in this way we reject the null hypothesis that the true slope coefficient is greater 1 or greater. Now in the C part of this question, where 0.58 or 58% is given for the 1968 years for the women, we have to express that we have a regression output y cap, that is equal to 0.2033 plus 0.6560 into xi. So we have to put the value of xi, that is 0.58. So we can get result that is 0.5838. Now we have to use table value, again table value. We can visit the table value. 5% of the degree of freedom is 17, so we can get 2.11. You can visit the table. Or in the second way, we can also use the mean prediction formula. That is a mean prediction formula, that is equal to variance of y cap, that is equal to variance into 1 upon n plus x naught minus x naught bar whole square upon summation xi square.